Hey guys, Glenn here. All right, so tonight I am making a cheesecake, but not just a cheesecake. I decided to make a chocolate cheesecake. So I went to Stop and Shop and got some of my grandfather's baker's chocolate that the company used to work for, and I'm melting it down. Now, you can buy a pan to do this way. They give you two pans. I'm just using two saucepans, a small one, a medium size, and as you can see, the chocolate's melting down very nicely. Look, I'm almost done. Then I just got to pour this into my cheesecake mixture and make it a nice chocolate cheesecake. And then I just pour it into my already made pie crust, graham cracker crust. I haven't made my own yet. I'm going to try it sometime, but I just haven't done it yet. Too easy to do it this way. Oh, yeah. All right. I guess that chocolate looks melted down to me. To you? Does to me. All right, let's get this lifted up so I can get this chocolate down in here. All right, I'll be back, guys. All right, so I'm getting that chocolate down in there. Let me just grab something to scrape it out with, and I'll be back. All right, so now I'm back. All right, make sure it's locked down. Oh, look at that. Oh, yeah. That's going to be good. Can't wait for this to get finished. Let me just go ahead and scrape down the sides. Make sure we're not missing any of that goodness that's right in there. Been a couple of months since I've made a cheesecake, so I think, well, you know what? I'm going to make a cheesecake. This time I want to make a chocolate cheesecake. And that's what I'm doing. All right. Oh, yeah. Definitely coming out good. Let me just go ahead and get all that out of there. It was all sticking to the inside of the whisk. We don't want that. We want to make sure that it gets blended well. Okay. That's looking good. Oh, nice. All right. And oh, yeah. And I got my pie crust right here. So I just bought a Stop and Shop ready to use pie crust. One of these times I'll make my own. It's not hard to do. Graham crackers and butter, I believe, is all in it. So, all right. I would say that that's probably mixed up really good. Let's go ahead and get this down out of the whisk really good. Not doing too bad considering that I'm holding the phone in one hand and doing the rest with the other. So, all right. Then I can just get what's off of that myself. I get to lick the whisk, so that's good. Oh, yeah. That is good. All right. Let's get this over into the pie crust. All right, so I'm going to pause it right here. I'll be back, guys. I'll come back when I get it all mixed. When I get it all into the pie crust. All right. All right, so here's the cheesecake ready to go in the oven. Got more than what I bargained for. I probably could have made 2 cheesecakes out of this thing. That's crazy. All right, so I'm going to get this in the oven. I'll be back in a bit. All right, so now I'm preheating the oven to 325 degrees. And I will be sticking that in when it's ready. Okay, I started cooking it. Just put it in. Look at how high it is. That's going to be a high cheesecake. We'll see how it turns out in the end. I know it tastes good, but I should have just, I should have just put it in. I would have had extra. I could have probably gone and got another pie crust tomorrow and made another cheesecake. That's all right. We'll see how it comes out. I know the taste will be there. It'll just be really, about that height. It'll kind of settle out some. We'll see what happens. All right. Be back when I'm done. All right, so 38 minutes left on the cook time, and it's starting to level out. Still quite high. It's going to stay high, but it's not going to be bad when it's done, so I'll be happy. All right, I'll be back. All right, so here it is so far, and it's really, leveling across the top nice. As you can see, it's really high right on the sides here, but not bad though. This should be all right. All right, I'll be back. Okay, guys, took it out of the oven about 14 minutes early because it looks like it's done. Like I said, it's still really high, which is fine, so I'll let this cool. Tomorrow night I can have some chocolate cheesecake, and I'll let you know how it tastes. All right, guys. I will catch you in the next video. See you, everybody.